Good morning, YouTube. Today is another day and it is time to remove the clear bra. Now this car came with it and at first I was liking it. I don't know what I did. I think I waxed it and it has created scratches on it. You can kind of see right here. I've seen some other YouTube videos where I guess the sun will eventually crack it. So I bought a steam cleaner and I'm going to attempt to remove it. I do have some plastic blades, so hopefully it'll come off with no issue, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so I have the shark heating up. I've gone ahead and sprayed a little bit of soap and water to assist me. I have a plastic razor blade here, so I don't want to scratch the paint. And I'm gonna hyperlapse it so we can see how it turns out. Okay, about an hour in and this is what we're looking at. I did a little piece. So what you have to use is some Goo Gone, and I've been using the plastic scraper. It is very hard work, but you can see the before and the after. So this is the film right here. You can barely see, there's right there. And then this is what is the residue, and this is what the after. So I expect this to take about 3 hours to do, I think. I'm just going to do the hood because while the bumper has it, it's just too much work. And this isn't cracking as bad. So I'm going to continue going. Okay, after a couple hours of steam cleaning, we finally got the wrap off. You can see right here, there's definitely a lot of residue left over. So I tried degreasing it with some Goo Gone and it's not coming off. It's being very difficult and stubborn, even with a plastic razor. Did get that part, which is perfect, but it took so long to even remove that section. So now what I'm trying is a steam cleaner and some soapy water, and maybe we can heat it up enough to remove. More to come. So it is the next day, and I'm telling you, this is a tough job. I'm probably 3 to 4 hours into this and almost done half. I think I figured out the best way to do it with a little bit of Goo Gone and this steam cleaner and this rag. What I do is I put the Goo Gone, let it sit, and run the steam cleaner right over it, and then I use this and I just scrub it. I tried these razor blades and they are creating little micro scratches. You probably can't see it right now, but they create these little micro scratches. Hopefully I can get them out. It seems like the quickest way is using just a rag and just creating friction. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on rocking. Okay, 2.5 hours later, and it is finished. So what I'll do is I'll get the flashlight out and show you. I think it came out really well. See if we can get another angle. I'm totally glad not to see any more of those cracks that were forming. I don't think I'll ever get PPF on a personal car, or at least pay for it, because man, that was tough. So this whole bumper is wrapped in it. I am gonna leave it alone. It's cheaper to replace a bumper than to spend hours and hours removing this PPF. But I guess the job is finished. This car needs a wash desperately, and I'm gonna be ready for that next adventure, which is gonna be the club lip. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.